up, guys? Me again, Lil Wario, and in this video, I'll be doing the Sprite challenge. And I don't actually have, cause at Walmart they didn't have any That's not how much I'm gonna be drinking. I'm not gonna be drinking this whole thing. They didn't have the small bottles, so I have this here with me today. And I'll be putting 250 milliliters. And Americans, that's about half a pint, because you probably do not know what a liter is, but. I have my Sprite here, so I'm going to pour about 250 milliliters into here, and I'll drink it out of here. So, I want to hear that. Oh, that sounds so good. Sprite on my fingers. I love Sprite. Alright, let's get the milliliters. Yeah, milliliters is here. Alright, let me just quickly measure it out. And yep, that's 250. Yeah, that's like almost exactly 250. Wow, that was a good pour. Alright, I'll put you back down here. And then I dump you right into you here. It looks like fizzy water. It looks like bubbly. Alright, let's get drinking. Cheers. Yeah, it's not bubbly, all right. It's Sprite. That kind of rhymed. Nice. Fizzy. I have to burp already, but I'm gonna save it at the end so there's a big. And just in case you don't know what the Sprite challenge is, and you're still watching it for some reason, well, the Sprite challenge is basically where you drink a bunch of Sprite and see if you can get the loud burp. But the burp isn't as big as yesterday. Maybe because yesterday I did it with Coke because I didn't have any Sprite handy, so I bought Sprite today. I might do a little bit more today than 250. All right, let's do a little spot more. A spot of tea. Because apparently Sprite, the burp is louder. All right, that's a good amount. I love the fizzy sound. Swallow, swallow, swallow. Normally I don't drink this one as pop or force down in one gulp like this. I do it with a meal, not like this. Oh my god! It's so loud. Why did my burp taste like pizza? Oh yeah, I had pizza. That wasn't as loud. It's pretty loud, but not as loud. No, that was still really fun. I'll put a link in the description to the Coke one. That was also fun. And also for the next time I feel like pop during a meal, I have this bad boy here. See if I can hold it like this. Yep. My hand is shaking, but that was fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.